What is temporal light modulation? The International Commission on Illumination, the CIE, defines temporal light modulation as fluctuations in luminous quantity or spectral power distribution of light with respect to time. So let's unpack that definition. Fluctuations with respect to time, such as sinusoidal modulation, rectangular modulation, sudden changes, sudden jumps, luminous quantity. Examples of luminous quantities are luminous flux, such as the amount of light coming from a light bulb. Illuminance, the amount of light hitting a surface, such as a piece of paper. Luminance, the amount of light coming from a surface as experienced by humans. Temporal light modulation in lighting causes at least two different effects for humans: flicker and stroboscopic effect. In the following are given the CIE definitions, and illustrations of the effects are shown. Here the frequency of the modulation is set very low compared to typical situations. Flicker, which is defined as perception of visual unsteadiness induced by a light stimulus, the luminance or spectral distribution of which fluctuates with time, for a static observer in a static environment. Stroboscopic effect, which is defined as change in motion perception induced by a light stimulus, the luminance or spectral distribution of which fluctuates with time, for a static observer in a non-static environment. Temporal light modulation in lighting for humans has been linked to undesired visual effects, such as the phantom array effect, migraines or headaches, asthenopia or eye fatigue, especially in children and young adults, and more rarely epileptic seizures, from photoepilepsy. In 2021, several partners began the joint research project, Metrology for Temporal Light Modulation, under the EMPIR program. For more information, see www.mettlm.eu. This project 20NIM01 MetTLM has received funding from the EMPIR program co-financed by the participating states and from the European Union's Horizon 2020 Research and Innovation Program.